Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about ATR 72-600 doors and what are the important questions they are asking in an interview, and for your information purpose you have to know. Now we will start video, so watch full video. Thank you. This video deals with doors fitted on ATR fuselage structure. Aircraft doors are designed to enable safe compartment pressurization. Doors their own warning system. Doors must be safely closed and secured to avoid air leak. ATR 72-600 door system is composed of passenger and crew doors, service door, forward compartment door, cargo door and control panel, tail cone access door, landing gear doors. Entry door, a door located on aft LS side of the passenger compartment, is provided for access to the aircraft. The entry door is an outward opening, non-plug type door. Service door. The service door is located on the right side of the aft end of the passenger compartment. The service door is an outward opening, non-plug type door. Open position is forward. Door operation can be performed manually from inside or outside of the airplane. Cargo door. The cargo door is located on the fuselage left forward side. It gives a large access to the forward cargo compartment. For easy luggage loading, the cargo door is an outward opening, non-plug type door. The door is actuated by an electrical actuator. The cargo door opening and closing operation are possible only from outside, optional from inside. Cockpit communication door, a machine door located immediately below the captain's side window. Forward avionics compartment door. The forward avionics compartment door is located on the nose landing gear wheel well upper bulkhead. It is a plug type door. An inward opening manually operated hatch in the forward section of the nose landing gear bay gives external access to the avionics compartment behind the main instrument panel. This is aft avionics compartment door. This door gives access to the rear unpressurized area of the aircraft beyond the aft bulkhead compartment. The aft avionics compartment door is located on the rear fuselage. It is non-plug type, hinge on the left side by means of two piano hinges and two latches on the right side. This is cockpit emergency exit hatch. An emergency exit is provided for evacuation of the flight compartment. One plug type hatch located in the cockpit roof is provided on emergency exit for the flight crew. Emergency exit door. Two emergency exit type third are provided for evacuation of the passenger compartment. These two doors are located on each side of the fuselage compartment. Rear entry door and service door can also be used as an emergency type for door locking and unlocking operation are performed mechanically. For safety reasons, doors opening is inhibited through when aircraft is pressurized. Delta pressure is greater than 6 psi. Hello friends, if you are working on ATR aircraft or you have to work on ATR aircraft, then you should know, or if you are preparing for interview. The first basic question related to door, they are asking which type of door is. For example, they will ask service door is plug type or non-plug type. And the second question they are asking related to door is can we use service door as an emergency door or not. And the third basic question they are asking at which delta pressure door opening is inhibited. Thank you.